I will talk about how can you log out of your account on your Whoscall app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now. So then you just click here on my profile here. Sorry, you just click here on my profile. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you will find here logout. You just click on it here. So then here automatically when you click on it, it's going to take you out of your account on your Whoscall app. So that's all you have to do to get out of your account. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.